Do you wake up feeling a little groggy, a little stiff? Maybe you find yourself squinting to read the morning news, or the names on your screen are a little fuzzy. You're not alone. I've seen this pattern for decades. A slow fade of energy, a foggy mind, and a feeling that your body is just wearing out. It's easy to dismiss these things as just aging. But what if they're not? What if your body is sending you signals you've been taught to ignore? I'm going to share a simple morning habit that changed everything for me. It's not a magic pill or a complex treatment. It's a single, powerful morning drink made from 4 ingredients you likely already have. You see, the real enemy isn't old age. It's silent, chronic inflammation and a process called oxidative stress. These are the quiet destroyers that build up in your system for years. They shrink the tiny blood vessels in your eyes, starve your brain of oxygen, and make it harder for your body to regulate itself. This is what leads to blurry vision, frustrating memory lapses, and blood pressure spikes. But here's the good news. You can fight back. And it all starts with this simple drink. The first ingredient is something you probably have in your pantry right now, baking soda. Now, before you dismiss this, hear me out. When used correctly, baking soda is a powerful natural tool to help balance your body's pH levels and reduce inflammation. A study from the Medical College of Georgia found that a simple baking soda solution helped reduce key inflammation markers in older adults in just 2 weeks. This simple step prepares your body to absorb all the goodness from the other ingredients, like preparing fertile soil before planting a garden. Just make sure to use an aluminum-free food-grade baking soda. Next, we add lemon. Most people think of lemon as a flavor, but for your body, it's a shield. It's one of the best sources of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that fights oxidative stress. This is what causes damage to the delicate cells in your eyes, leading to cataracts and macular degeneration. Vitamin C actively neutralizes the unstable molecules that harm your vision and even strengthens the blood vessels that nourish your eyes. Think of it as a dose of liquid sunshine that protects your eyesight. The third ingredient is ginger, a spicy root with incredible benefits. As we age, our circulation can slow down, causing brain fog and cold hands or feet. Ginger is a natural vasodilator, meaning it helps open up blood vessels. This allows oxygen and nutrients to flow more freely to your eyes and brain. It's like clearing a traffic jam. When your circulation improves, your mind feels clearer, your focus sharpens, and your eyes get the nourishment they need to stay healthy. Finally, we add honey. But not just any honey. We use raw, organic honey. It's a natural anti-inflammatory and an antioxidant powerhouse. It's what brings all the other ingredients together, calming the sharpness and adding a soothing sweetness. The compounds in raw honey help reduce inflammation and protect your eye tissues. It's a gentle, comforting touch that provides deep healing from the inside out, supporting your immune system and overall energy. Now for the ritual. In a glass of warm, not hot water, add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Stir well. Then squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Next, grate in about half a teaspoon of fresh ginger, followed by a teaspoon of raw honey. Stir it all together until it's a beautiful golden color. Sip it slowly, 15 to 30 minutes before breakfast. This simple habit takes less than 5 minutes, but sets a powerful, healing tone for your entire day. You are not broken. Your body has an incredible capacity to heal itself, to find balance, and to thrive. All it needs is a small, consistent push in the right direction, a gentle nudge to remind it of its own power. This simple morning drink is not a magic cure. There's no such thing. But it is a small, intentional act of self-care. It's a daily commitment to your well-being that can create a profound difference in how you feel, how you see the world, and how you engage with life. We've talked about how these 4 simple ingredients work together. Remember how the baking soda helps neutralize the acidity that fuels inflammation? Or how the powerful antioxidants in lemon act as a shield, protecting the delicate blood vessels in your eyes? We explored how ginger acts as a gentle energizer, boosting circulation to bring clarity to your mind and warmth to your extremities. And we saw how honey, the natural healer, soothes your body and brings it all together. Think of the small changes this can bring to your life. The ability to read the newspaper without straining, to remember a grandchild's birthday without a second thought, or to simply feel a renewed sense of energy to get up and enjoy the day. It's about more than just feeling better. It's about reclaiming your independence and your joy. I've seen this ritual help countless people, giving them back a sense of control over their health that they thought was lost forever. And I believe with all my heart that it can help you too. It's a promise you make to yourself every morning to start feeling your best again. If this video gave you hope, if it inspired you to take a small step towards better health, please like it. Your support helps us reach more people who need this message. If this video gave you a glimmer of hope, if it inspired you to believe that a small positive change is possible in your life, please take a moment to click that like button. It's more than just a click for us. It's a signal to the algorithm that this information is valuable and deserves to be seen by others. Every single like helps us reach another person who might be struggling, someone who needs to hear this message of hope right now. And if you're ready to truly commit to this journey, to take back control of your health and join a community of people who are doing the same, then I invite you to tap that subscribe button. This isn't just about getting notifications for our new videos. It's about making a powerful promise to yourself. It's a pledge to invest in your well-being, to stay informed, and to be a part of a supportive group dedicated to living our best lives. Let's face this journey together. Your health is your most precious asset. Don't let it be a source of anxiety or concern. Make it a source of empowerment and pride. Tap that subscribe button now. It's the first step towards a healthier, happier you.